Last time on Sailing Balachandra, Noelle went for her very first sail, and we spent the night on a mooring ball in Sambro.
Sails are up.
Hey guys, yeah, we're just heading to Wreck Cove for the night on a place called McNabb's Island. There's this little cove where you can anchor out for the night. It's not that far for us, so we figured we'd start our Canada Day weekend off at Wreck Cove. Where are we going?
Wreck Cove!
Alright, Wreck Cove for Canada Day weekend.
Getting it started.
We got guests. So yeah, this is going to be our first time putting out the anchor, which I haven't done before, but there's not a lot of wind, so it should be a low stress situation. But we're going to give it a try, and we're going to try and get this anchor down and spend the night in Wreck Cove tonight, so we'll see how it goes. So here's my anchoring job. This is the first time I've ever anchored with Balachandra. We let out enough chain. There's markers on my chain, and I think I let out enough. It looked like there was a marker for maybe 20 feet or so. It could have been in meters. So that's something I've got to double check in the future, but we put out so much, I'm sure we've got plenty. So there's my chain, and then this is my snubber line right here. It's about a 3/4 inch line, and then there's a rubber snubbing device here, and that's hooked onto the chain. That's why the chain looks slack. So basically the snubber's taking the tension from the anchor right now, and the chain looks slack, but it's actually not slack. It's tight where the snubber's connected to it down there. So that's my anchoring setup. It looks pretty good. I've got an anchor monitor going in the cockpit, and it hasn't beeped yet, so I guess we're doing very well. It's not that windy tonight, and so far so good. I don't think we have to worry too much about it. This man is about to dive into the Atlantic Ocean at Wreck Cove.
Killing me just watching me. Oh my god!
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
So should we all do it?
No,
It's actually not bad. It's not bad at all.
Yeah, you stayed in for a second though.
Yeah, I know. Is a second enough?
Rocking the seabeque tonight here at Wreck Cove. We're gonna make some corn, and then after the corn, we're gonna have salmon, some seasoning on it. It's gonna be so excited. When you're barbecuing on a boat, you gotta take all precautions. You need the best of the best people.
This is ridiculous.
This is how we barbecue in Balachandra. We take it very seriously. We think that we're gonna lose a corn. It's very rolly. Oh, it's almost gonna roll out. Look, they need to be turned. One corn shall be sacrificed to complete this meal. We're gonna see if we can do this without sacrificing a corn. There's 3 people, there's 4 corns. So we know that Neptune, if he so chooses to eat corn tonight, that we have to sacrifice that corn to Neptune.
Why Neptune?
Since Neptune is the god of the sea. And if you're gonna enjoy a good meal, 1 corn shall be sacrificed. We're gonna have salmon, it's gonna be sweet. As predicted, we have lost a corn to King Neptune. It was gonna happen. Seared salmon. Oh yeah. Seabeque rocks. And there it is. Corn, salmon, and salad. Hey guys, so we had a pretty successful night on anchor last night here in the dinghy. And here's Balachandra on anchor, doing very well. I have an anchor alarm app that I was using all night just to make sure we didn't drag anchor, and we didn't at all. It was great. So this is an anchorage to return to because we know the bottom is good.
What's that? Over there.
What's over there?
Our boat. That's how far away we are right now.
Yeah, and we paddled all that way in our dinghy.
We couldn't anchor any closer.
No.
We need a motor.
We're at Wreck Cove on the beach. Pretty nice. Nice little beach. You could swim here.
You think?
Probably. Walking. We're just checking out McNabb's a little bit here to see what we can see. This trail kind of leads up into the woods, and this is some creepy stuff. Hey guys, yeah, we're just in the Bedford Basin now, sailing. Picked up some guests for our Canada Day celebration. We got the flag out, sort of, and there's another flag up there. So we're all set for Canada Day. We're sailing downwind. We're going about 2 knots.
No wind.
No one driving.
No wind.
Happy Canada Day!
That's it for this week's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
And leave a like or leave a comment below if you want, because we like to read the comments. See you guys later.
Bye. And we look forward to seeing you next week.
Ciao for now.
He used my line. He used my line. I wanted to say ciao for... Okay.
I never say ciao.